Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the BONK update today. And BONK is coming down. We still have our right shoulder that is actually coming into play. Nothing is invalidated. Nothing looks as if BONK is in a bad situation or anything. I'm actually this is still good. Okay, BONK is still doing the right movement at least for now. And I'm not going to talk too much about it today because actually there's nothing to talk about BONK too much other than this still is a pending situation. So hopefully we get to see a leg move to the upside. That will still be amazing. Even if you want to actually come down like this and spend some time here, then go back up, that will still be okay. The main thing, long story short, is that we just need a nice decent build of a right shoulder. We go back up again and then we push above and we go back up to the all-time high. With this inverted and shoulder taking you back up there. So that's all for this very quick update today, and I'm going to see you in the next round office.